Almost every police service around the world will have you go through a psychological test or a psychological assessment. When I went through, there were two that I had to go through. One of them was the Minnesota Multiphasic, which was basically 700 true-false questions about basically anything. And you can only answer true-false, and the reason why people get tripped up on this type of exam is because they try to read meanings into questions or they look for patterns. The trick with this is answer each question honestly, and don't worry about any other questions surrounding it when you're actually answering. If you get confused about a question, just think about what the opposite would be, and that should hopefully help you solve the problem. On top of that, I also had to speak to a psychologist, and I was in the room with the psychologist for about half an hour. This could be a nerve-wracking experience. This is the first time I had to speak to a psychologist, and if you're not prepared for this going in, you can feel, you can get nervous, you can feel you have to be dishonest, and it could cost you your job. At the stage when you're actually going through the psychological testing, the police service is very interested in you now because you're actually investing money in your candidacy, and they want to see you get hired.